All right, what's up, team? Let's get this money. Bam. All right, let's do that right there. Let's pull up these charts. Man. All right, first things first. Are you guys ready to crush these markets? Let's get it on. Today is 8/29/2025, and man, these weeks and this last week and the week before it have been crazy, insane volume, very volatile. But I want today, right? We like to start every single session off with our goals, right? So the goals that I'm looking to accomplish today is to identify phenomenal opportunity. Okay, we do this using our strategy, using our system. All right, this is critical levels. This is open print, moving averages, in that beautiful RBI GBI. Okay, so I'm looking to trade the system today. I'm looking to identify phenomenal opportunity, and you guys know the last one is my favorite. I'm looking to execute on it. All right, so without any further ado, let's break right into it. All right, first things first, pre-market plan. So I'm going to pull up the Discord over here. Give me a second here. Let me pull up this Discord. Bam, full of all these beautiful people. Oh, guys, and by the way, we have a 50% off. Anybody that wants to join our team, click the link below. We have a 50% off link. Make sure you take advantage of it. Click those links. The promo code is HPT Cross. Okay, so let's make sure you take advantage of that right there. All right, give me a minute. Hold up. Let me make sure I got the right link in there for that. So I don't want to say something and not be able to back it up. Yeah, it's literally 50% off, right? You could join our team for $100 get you on our team for 12 months. Take advantage of that. Promo code HPT off. Give me a minute. I'm going to put it in the description. Boom. Promo code HPT Cross. HPT Cross. Bam. Save it. All right. We should be good. All right. Cool. So, man, we had a beautiful trade yesterday. Amazing trade yesterday. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it because we're going to end up doing a recap. But, guys, we caught this long. Just captured a beautiful long play trading with the trend, and that's exactly what I plan to do today. If we get a trending market, I am definitely looking to take advantage of that. All right, so beautiful long play. Notice here, what do you guys see? Okay, we literally see a bounce right off the 20, followed by a red candle right here. That gets ignored. You guys see the red candle right here? It's ignored. Bam. In the market long. All right. That's our clean entry criteria. So shout out to everybody yesterday that caught that with us. Absolute beautiful trade. 142% ROI. And that's what's key because these markets suck. Okay. So to make sure you're ending on top at the end of the week, you got it. Like, don't get me wrong. Not every trade is a trade that you hold. But in trending markets, when the 1 hour time frame makes sense, when the trends are healthy, you got to make sure you're letting these things pay you. Okay. It is key to actually ending the week green. All right. Very important. All right. Let's break into that pre-market plan here. Okay. SPY pre-market plan. Critical level of interest is 64650 in previous day open print. All right. So what we're seeing here, you guys see 64650, this yellow box. All right. So in pre-market, if I pull up the market here real quick, you can see we've gotten a very nice bounce right here. Oh, hold up. Oh, God. Okay, here we go. Ready? Here we go. Boom. Okay. See, in pre-market, we've gotten this beautiful bounce right here off 64650. All right, this was resistance, and now it has turned into support. This is extremely important, okay? Because now we're going to see how strong these buyers are. All right, so I mean, we got to watch the 1 hour trend. All right, this thing is definitely moving down, but we need to really focus today, possibly look for some good long plays or short plays off previous day open print. Okay, price is probably going to come into here, and we're going to be looking for buyers to show some strength. Maybe we get a green bar, And then y'all already know it. Get a nice little red candle. Okay. And then after that, we then take her long once we get the red candle ignored. Okay. That's the strategy. That's the system. All right. I'm looking for a green, red, green, boom, all the way up into EOD, filling that gap. All right. So now on the flip side of this coin, if sellers come into this market and push price below previous day open print, that's going to be a sign of weakness. Okay. So then what we'd be looking to do is look for a green little hiccup followed by a red candle that absolutely smokes the green candle. And we'll see that a lot more. I'm also watching Tesla. Tesla is always a phenomenal opportunity on Friday. Okay, 0-day Tesla options are just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to be looking to take advantage of trading Tesla if we could get some opportunity there as well. All right, I like us above end of day. Quick little pre-market plan here on Tesla is we're going to be watching EOD and we're going to be watching to see who can hold it. All right, maybe we get some sellers pushing price below. And then maybe we get ourselves a nice push to pre-market low in previous day low. All right. But on the flip side, okay, you can see this 1 hour starting to maybe do a little shift. All right. So I'm going to be watching to see possible long plays above end of day, targeting 350. All right. And then previous day open print and previous day high. Don't sleep on Tesla. Tesla has range. Okay. This is one of the many reasons why I love to trade it on Friday. It's got a lot of range. Okay. You can make a lot of money on Tesla. And you don't necessarily have to put up tons of capital, right? 0-day options cost you like $200, and they turn into 1,000. All right. So Tesla is always a beautiful opportunity as well. Todd said ES at 6,500, bro. Absolutely. Check this out. All right. So I noticed this on SPX yesterday as well. Okay. So I'm going to pull up SPX. 6,500 on SPX was definitely a super, it's a psychological level. All right. So I'm going to pull up SPX and then I'll pull up ES and we'll compare them here. We got 5 minutes. All right. So this is how I chart. I got previous day high. I got end of day. I have previous day open print. Let me just change that and call it pre-OP. And then I got previous day low. All right. So here's my main critical levels. And I am definitely going to leave this little 6,500 level. This is critical. All right. You know what? I'm going to get rid of this guy right here. And I'm going to make this guy, and I'm going to call it critical. I'm going to make it yellow. All right. This is like my bullish above, bearish below. And you can see here, we're right around that 6,500 level. All right. So now I'm going to pull up ES and let's see what we got over here. All right. So Todd asked about the 6,500 level, which is pretty much right here. Okay. This is definitely critical. All right. You can see here, this was a, let me see. This was a little, I'm not sure what you want to call it, but we'll just talk about what it actually represents. Okay. So you're going to see here, we have resistance, right? We got some resistance there. And then yesterday we blew above it. Now we've fallen below it. So this is classic break and retest. Okay. So initially, as price comes down and comes up and retest here, we're looking for a sell-off, right? That's like the, market structure 101. Okay. Now that doesn't mean it needs to happen. What it means is if it happens, that's cool. But on the flip side of that coin, if it doesn't happen, that's actually very bullish. Okay. So you can see here, we're actually getting a lot of, let me zoom in here. Hold on. We're getting a nice push here from buyers coming up into this level. Okay, so I would definitely be watching this level here on ES as well. What's this, 6,505? You can see we already rallied into it in pre-market a little bit. This is going to be important. I want to keep an eye on that 1 hour trend. I want to watch that 20. And obviously, whatever happens at open print is going to play a massive role, right? Because it's all about identifying acceptance. Acceptance is the $1 million word, right? Like, yeah, we're coming into critical levels, but that doesn't necessarily mean sellers are going to show up. Okay. If buyers show strength, which you can kind of see, we are getting some strength here. Any buying above this that's has healthy moving averages is definitely going to mean longs. Okay. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. We got some news catalysts coming into the market too, which is definitely going to play a little bit of a role. All right. So I'm going to pull up Tesla. I'm going to pull up SPY. I'm actually getting ready for possible swing trades on Tesla. Because if I pull up this daily, okay, check this out. The daily is definitely looking very bullish, especially the weekly time frame. You guys see here, the weekly is definitely extremely bullish. Okay. We've gotten this large sell-off. We've retraced the fib. Now we're coming back up into this 650 or this 350 level. So this is going to be very important. All right. I mean, we really could see a rally here on Tesla in the next, 3-4 months. So I'm definitely watching Tesla for some swings. Opening into the market with a green cloud. So let's see what we get here. I'm going to run to the bathroom and then we're going to smack this market today. All right, let's see here. Bam. Got my coffee. 9:30 bell. Let's go. All right, so I do like us being right at that 1 hour trend too. Let's pull up Tesla. Tesla off the gate is just ripping. And guys, like the market's been extremely shitty. Okay. Don't remain patient and disciplined, but ready. Okay. Be ready to act, but know what to look for. All right. We're looking for our strategy today. We're not going to get cute with it. Okay. We're looking to trade the 3-step approach. Okay. Moving average cross off the open, followed by an RBI or a GBI. All right. We don't need to complicate it. And disregard your bias, whatever it is. All right. Let's get this money coming in the previous day open print. Remember, guys, according to the pre-market plan, this is a very important level. Super important level. Tesla, we're getting some buying here. Let me pull up SPX and see what we got going on. SPX is looking mighty bearish at the moment, but it's to be expected. We've sold off pretty extensively here. Notice here on SPX too, guys, we are below that 6,500 level. Okay, we're below 6,500. That doesn't mean necessarily short, but that is telling us something, right? There's been a lot of selling in pre-market. Let's see how these buyers can react. Nice little bounce here off the 20. Bro, guys, yesterday, that trade right there, oh my God, man. The biggest thing too, right? We always use these tools is look at the bounces off the moving averages, right? In an super indecisive market, remember, you don't need to predict anything. You don't need to guess anything. You just need to watch what's happening off the moving averages and trade with them, okay? A lot of buying here on SPY. Let me see. Way below that 50 EMA here on SPX, man. We could definitely maybe let's see what we get here. Open print has been established. EOD is right here. Check. This is what we do. This is what we do. This is what we love. This is what we do, guys. We look for opportunity and we execute. We are not traders. We manage money. Okay. That is a very big difference. All right. We are not here to trade today. You are here to manage money. All right. If you're getting a winning trade, manage it. If you're getting a losing trade, manage it. Okay. It's Friday. Don't let that, negative belief that, it has to be a perfect day. None of that. We're here to execute today. All right. You don't need to be Superman. But if the trend is trending and the 1 hour makes sense, you got to hold it. Okay. Got to. That's exactly how I'm looking to go into today. A lot of selling here on SPX coming into previous day open print. Go over here. I'll pull up Tesla over here so I could just bounce back and forth. Ooh, look at Tesla. Look at Tesla. And another thing is we just got to lighten up, you know, like it doesn't need to be perfect. I'm definitely watching Tesla. This thing's looking pretty. She's looking pretty, guys. I don't know. She might be the one. SPY. Dude, we get bearish criteria. I'm shorting it. I'm telling you right now. Sellers show strength. And Todd, it's because that level on ES too, right? Like if I pull up ES right here from my futures traders, look at what's this look like to you guys? This looks like a area of resistance. This is an area of resistance. All right. Now we're starting to get a lot of selling. Here comes the sellers. Let's see what we get. Now remember, we don't go full port retard. We wait for the strategy. All right. You could trade it on the 4 minute or you could trade it on the 5 minute. I'm not going to lie to you. In these market conditions, I feel like the 5 minute's been a little bit more promising. But let's see. Eric Pena, my boy. What up, stud? Coming in live from Cali. That's my boy right there. Go check out his YouTube channel, the Recalibration Blueprint. Phenomenal YouTube channel. Chris Beckwith, what up, brother? Another proud HPT member. Welcome. We are going to get this money today. In previous day open prints, very important, guys. I do like this selling, though. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to lie. It looks a little bearish coming here out of that. But we're going to give her a minute. Let me swap back to Tesla. Remember, guys, you can't watch everything at once, okay? So just be patient. Ooh. Tesla contracts are looking cheap. And that's the thing, bro. Like Tesla contracts, you could buy the 350 calls for $150. That thing rallies. You can literally sell them for over $1,000. Let's see here. Coming into previous day open print. It's you against you out there. See me in a fight with the bear, pray for the bear. Bro, I heard that the other day. I was dying. And it's so true, right? See me in a fight with the bear, pray for the bear. See me in a fight with the market, pray for the market. Okay? Like we're here to execute. Dude, guy, I think sometimes we underestimate ourselves. Do you understand the tools that we have? Like, 99% of the population, if you told them that you had a strategy that worked 80% of the time, like they'd be like, oh my God, are you in the stock market? Are you kidding me? It's all about execution. We need to execute it. That's our goal today, right? I don't care if I take a losing trade. That don't mean shit, okay? All what matters is that when I win good, okay? And when I lose good, all right? Watching Tesla here, coming in the end of day. SPY's right at that 1 hour time frame. Ooh, she looking bearish, guys. Ready? What's that? That is a 20 EMA respect on the cloud. And you know what? Like we kind of need a data pullback, but I'm telling you, guys, this 650, this level is important, right? Just look at it on the daily. Okay, look at this. This level is very important. All right. As we make our way into 650, be ready because this is exactly where the magic could happen. I'll still short right into it. I don't care. Strong selling there, giving us a nice little moving average cross. We got 650 coming up. Let's see. All right, sellers, what you want? You going to take it or what? Tesla coming up to its moving averages. ES is starting to shite. He's starting to look like dirt. You just got to laugh, man. You got to laugh. Watching ES right here, okay, that, my friend, is a GBI. It's a green bar that was ignored. Let's get a pull back into here. Possible short play, okay? Guys, and if you watch the mini course on areas of value, anytime you're getting an RBI or a GBI, your ass needs to draw a box around it, all right? This is the area that has the most value, okay? Like, the retest there is going to be extremely damn important. I don't care if it happens in 2 minutes. I don't care if it happens in an hour. Let me check here what the news looks like today. Come back over to that beautiful Discord there. All right, so we got the business barometer dropping at 9:45, and we also have 10 a.m. news. Good. I like news. Okay, news means opportunity. Yeah, where's open print at? Let me make sure I label that. Boom. Open P. Make that one yellow. My favorite level to trade off right there. Open print. A lot of selling. Where's my 2-minute scalpers at? Boom. A lot of selling here. Now, if I don't get criteria into this low, it actually makes me more bearish, right? Or bullish. Like, we got to ask ourselves, yeah, this level, like, this is a very important level here. And it's not necessarily if we're going to get there, it's how we're going to get there. Okay. If we just sell off straight into it, watch out for the slingshot, guys. Watch out for the crazy pullback. Market structure is very important. All right. I like us at that 1 hour time frame. Possible SPY puts coming up here. Possible puts. Looking for a green bar to get ignored here. Let me see here what contracts cost over here, and we might get ready for some SPX puts. Tesla's still kind of trying to hold on to that hour trend. It's a little sketchy because 64650 is so important, but I'm not going to talk myself out of it. Okay. And we're coming literally into the 50 EMA here. All right. So real quick, I mean, we got to bounce here. We got to bounce here, here. And now we're on our 4th bounce, and we're about to get a GBI on the 1 hour. That's looking hella bearish. All right. Got my eye on a entry here. Entry. I like that we're at the 1 hour trend. But I need the GBI. If I don't get the GBI, the trends, it's just not that valid. In these market conditions, guys, I mean, to each his own. But for me to enter, I need criteria. Like in any market condition, I need that RBI or GBI. It's what makes sure I make money at the end of the week. So, all right, let's see if we can get a nice, easy, quick one today. Boom, 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 boom. Look for that short play. Boom, boom, boom. Let the strategy tell you. Watching Tesla as well. Real quick, let me just do a quick glance. Tesla with the RBI. Make sure we're not bouncing off a level here on SPX. Ooh, guys, this is looking so funny. It's actually looking funny. What's the 5-minute look like on SPY? Yeah, that's lining up, man. That's potential. But you see how far away we got from that DEMA? Very far away from the DEMA. Very far away. Nice little pullback into it. What's the range on this candle? 42 cents? Not bad. It's looking like a good stop. SPY's coming, or SPX coming in at key level right there. And in these markets, guys, remember, like, you know, in any market, but especially these markets, I got to be trading my strategy. Otherwise, I don't know if the market's in good opportunity or not, right? Like, the only time I know the market's like in a fruitful state is when my strategy is presenting. If it's not presenting, we gotta tread with caution there. So I'm watching for possible puts on SPX down to previous day low. What's left here? See if we can get it. We might get it. We might not. We got like 40 cents left on this candle. I like this right here too. We're at a key level here on SPX. Let's see, are we going to get it? Are we going to get it? We're right at that 1 hour trend too. What we got? 20 seconds. 20 seconds left. I got the 5 minute on the left. I got the 4 minute on the right. I got my puts lined up here, right? My phone. If we get it. If we don't get it, it is what it is. I will wait for the next opportunity. Bam, that's a green bar. Damn it. Hey, it's green. It is green. What's the low of it? 64679. All right. Six, 4, 6, 7, 9. Nice little push here. All right, so if I do go short on this, my stop loss is going to be 64727. It's a pretty tight stop, or I'd call it open print. We're not in it yet. I think I'm going to stay a little patient here. Let's see. If we get a GBI, I will take this short. I like seeing the cloud. I like seeing previous day open print get respected here. Getting ready to hop in short. Bam. Boom. I'm gonna take a stab at shorts here. I got my stop right above 64730. I gotta try it. This is a touchy level right here, but the strategy tells me to get in it, so therefore I gotta pull the trigger on it. Very key level here, but if we can continue down, this thing can dump. We got SPX right there. This is a key level. What I really like about this is it's happening right there at previous day open print. My first target is going to be 64650. 64650. Getting a nice push. Very nice push. Very nice push down into 64650. It's a key level. And we knew it was going to be a little sketchy going into it. It is what it is. I'm looking for a solid push through this level right here. We're in a solid short play. I'm up, what is this, 11%. Look at that trend. You got to trust that trend right there, guys. You have to. You have to. Let me pull up Tesla here. QQQ is trying to hold. Ooh, look at Tesla. Tesla's also looking a bit bearish. Yeah, that trend's looking, you got to take it. You got to take it. Strategy tells me take it. Nice push. Damn, SPX is cooking. I'm up 18% right now. Let's push right through that. Very nice push. Very nice. Once again, guys, this is our strategy, okay? This is what we do. We don't second guess it. We just execute it beautifully. I'm looking for a move down to previous day low here. I really like this 5-minute trend. We're getting a nice push. Tesla, too, is looking mighty bearish. I might hop in a Tesla. All right, 36% on this SPX trade already. Bam! Look at her tank. Very nice trade right there. Shout out to everybody that took that and trusted the strategy. That's a good trim. That's a phenomenal trimming point. Boom. First 15 minutes, we in this bitch. Once again, following that 3-step approach, okay? Like, I don't care how I feel. I don't care what else is happening. It doesn't matter, okay? If my strategy presents, I pull the trigger. I'm done, all right? There's no, oh, the market's been sketchy. Doesn't fucking matter. Trade the strat. That's it. Good job, Kaio. Still, good job executing. Let her cook. We're falling below 646.50. If we hold this level, we could definitely see a lot of selling, okay? Good job trusting the strategy. Will Scott, welcome to HPT, brother. Hopefully you were able to hop in that little push right there. Once again, this is the same approach we look to trade every single day, all right? When the market does this right here, and you get yourself a GBI, green bar ignored. Now, this is the area of value, all right? This is going to be key right here. We might not even come back up to it. This might just be a straight shit show to the downside. Let's see what SPX tells us. Oh, my God. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice push right there, guys. Very, very nice push. And once again, guys, Trader Bootcamp is 50% off. You could join our team for a full year and get 4 coaching sessions with me right now for $100. Promo code HPT Cross. All right, let's get this push down. Look at this. Look at this. And for everybody that wants more information on this strategy, all you got to do is click that link below, and it's going to bring you right here where I break it down. Sign up for the mini course so that you can get data reports emailed to you on a weekly basis on this strategy. Okay, really good strategy right here. It's changed my life, and it's changed. It's helped countless traders on HPT start to actually make money in these markets. Look at this push. Look at that. That's so beautiful. So beautiful. And don't get me wrong, like the market has definitely been scary, but like you got to remember if it's scary or not, you just, oh my God, let's go. Let's get PDL. I know my boy Kaio is still in this. Look at that push. Who else is still in this? Come on. Come on. Let's get the money. Let's get the money. Let's get the money. I'm not even watching PNL. I'm up 56% on this short play here. Trading SPX puts. Puts down to PDL. Let's go. Kaio. Absolutely not. There's no giving up. Even when we lose, we win. All right. Not going to get cocky here. I'm going to want to pull out that 2-minute. I might be taking this and waiting for the next opportunity. Let's see. 646.50 is definitely critical. I think I'm going to pop that stop loss in at 646.50. I mean, we could get a retest off it, though. I got one SPX contract here that I am looking to manage. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. I'll tell you right now. Yeah, it's a little sketchy. Definitely a little sketchy. I'm holding it. My stop's going to be 646.50. After yesterday's trade, though, I made 142% ROI, so I'm willing to hold a little bit, okay? If you're not green on the week, maybe you should take the profit, okay? Like, don't go full retard and be like, oh, I'm holding this because Josh is holding it, right? Like, everybody's in different scenarios, okay? That was a beautiful trade. I was literally just up 60% on that, okay? So, make your decision, but own it. It was a fast sell-off there. We're probably going to get a pull back up. Let's see. Let me see what the 5-minute trend looks like here. Oh, yeah, we got a pocket. That's probably going to get filled, guys. Take your profit. Pocket usually means pullback. I'm going to hold it. But the 1 hour is all the way up here. Let's see. Oh, shit. What's Tesla doing? Ooh, Tesla's retesting this area of value, Eric. This is important right here. This is very important. Very important. great day. What a great day, guys. We've actually been able to fight very hard this week. Shout out to everybody on the team. I'm not going to sit here and say these last 2 weeks have been easy, but this is what the strategy is for, right? Like, you could win one of two ways where you get lucky, or you can lose, or you could, like, trading your strategy is key, right? Like, if I'm losing, it's going to be not because I'm being irrational. It's going to be because I'm trading my strategy. And it just is what it is, right? Like, yeah, Eric, I see that too. No crossover yet. Buyers here could end up being very bullish. Once again, guys, if you are in the SPY trade, we have a little pocket here. Okay, so if you're holding, at least be willing for this to pop all the way back up to 646.60. I'm going to hold it based off, I'm going to hold it for a little bit. Might not be the intelligent move. I'm up 28% on this SPX trade. I was up 56. Sometimes when I trade live, I fall into that category of wanting an amazing trade, and that's on me. That was still a phenomenal trade. Shout out to everybody that caught it. I think I want to see it go a little bit further. Notice here, guys, we're retesting the area of value here on Tesla. This is very important. We're also retesting end of day. What's the 1 hour look like? I might be interested in a Tesla put. Look at SPY. Come on. I'm going to put my stop here on SPY at 64638. If we break that, let me see. What's the 4 minute telling me? Yeah. If we break 64642, I'm getting out of this trade. Very nice push down. Very nice. Very nice. 4 minute pocket. That's right. I want to see us break this, get another GBI here. We may not. Okay, yeah, it's looking a little suspect here on the 5 minute, but I'll give it to this right here. You guys see, I'm giving it to the top of that candle, and let's see if we can get a further push here. 64636 is the stop loss. Let's get that dump in the previous day low. I think this is going to get a little, I think it's going to get bloody here. Look at that, guys, look at the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour. Come on. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Look at that. Hold up. Look at that 1 hour. That is bloody ugly. Tesla. Ooh. Let me see here. Let me see here. All right, I'm watching Tesla still. Where's SPY? I don't even got SPY pulled up. Oh my God, SPY is tanking. Come on, straighten the previous day low, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me the money. Give me the money. Give me my money. Oh my God. We're up 73% on SPX puts. Oh my God. Look at that retest here on Tesla. I missed that because I'm kind of looking at both here. It's okay. See, when you trade the system, it's okay if you miss a move. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's okay. You'll get more opportunity. Blood in the streets, Darren. There's blood in the streets. And you know the HPT sharks smell the blood. We smell that blood, it's over. Thank you, Todd. I appreciate you guys, man. You guys are fucking everything to me. If I had $1 for every day I thought about maybe, hopping off the deep end, and then I remembered, I'm like, nah, man, me and my team, we got to show the fuck up. We got to get this money. I'd be rich. I love you guys, man. Tesla, nice push here on Tesla. Really nice push here on SPX as we come into previous day low. She's sinking right now, 79%. And what's the 5 minute look like? I might be booking this here in a minute. 2-minute, large sell-off, large sell-off. I got my hand on the selling button right here. We might blow through it. We might not. This might be a quick one today, guys. This might be a quick one. Watching that 2-minute trend. We got 2 more minutes left on the 5-minute candle. We're definitely a little bit extended. You know what? We're up 80%. It's a Friday. I'm going to give it, hold on. I'm not out yet. 645.80. I'm going to give it till 645.80, guys. If we hit 645.80, I'm going to take the money and we're going to be done. 645.80. Trying to look at both here. Yeah, it might be a one and done today. It really might. I mean, I'll still stay on. See if we can make a little bit more money. What a good fucking day. I needed that. Oh yeah, she's done. She's gonna sink, bro. She's sinking. What's she doing? Yeah, we're right. Yeah, I'm gonna take it, guys. Hold up. 645.80. If I see it, I'm getting out. Oh, look at that. Come on. Let her breathe. Let her breathe. Let her breathe. Let her breathe. We got the 2-minute up right now. Tesla's going too. Tesla looks mighty bearish. So does SPY. Tesla's dumping. Damn it. It's too focused on SPY. Oh my God. Look. It's 10 o'clock. I might be getting out of this. Oh, if we break this, come on. What are we doing? Hold up. Yo, buyers. Damn. As sellers are not ready to let go just yet. I'm watching Tesla. You know what, guys? I'm booking this SPY trade. I'm out of it. Great play right there on SPX. I'm watching Tesla for a short play. I'm not fucking around with news. Great job, guys. Kaio, great job. Darren, Todd, all you guys. Mike, anybody that caught that. I'm happy that you guys were able to crack that market right there. Beautiful setup. And it looks like we got out at the perfect time. Look at that. And that's why these critical levels are so damn important. Okay. Like anytime trades are coming into previous day low, we're far away from the 1 hour 9 right here. You guys see it, right? That's far away. You got to start. And that doesn't mean that the trend's going to change. It's probably going to continue. I'm watching Tesla here as we retest. I'm going to focus a little more on Tesla right now, guys. Let's see here what we get. 1 hour is definitely looking a bit bearish. We're retesting the area of value. We're at the 1 hour trend. Bro, what a great fucking trade. Dude, that was such a good trade right there. Oh my God. I needed that, man. That was beautiful. Beautiful. Excuse my language. I'm just a little excited. Ah, man, that was nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, Tesla. Super. Look at the trend here on Tesla. Alone in these streets. Dude, when the strategy works, bro, you gotta work it, man. What a good trade. Phenomenal. I'm watching Tesla for a possible short play. We got a clean green bar that was ignored. We've pretty much retested it. I just don't like my entry right here. It's a little too far away from me. I want to see a little pullback into the zone. I'm probably not going to get it. And it is what it is. Yep, there goes. But once again, right? Like this is why a lot of traders, when they first come to HPT, they got a lot of FOMO and stuff. And and the thing is, like, and what we go through and teach them in Trader Bootcamp is that, there's really, you don't need to FOMO when you understand our system, right? Like our system presents opportunity, and if it's not presenting, then there's really no reason to participate. You guys seen the play we took here on SPY? The system presented, and that's why we participated, right? If I pull up SPY here, it's probably sinking. Yep, there it goes. Look, I didn't want to look at it. But that is blueprint criteria right there. Look at that, GBI, right? Green bar ignored. Bam! Damn. But you know what? We still took it down to previous day low. Great fucking trade. Great trade. Very good trade. That was beautiful. But man, look at that. That thing is cooking. Now we're way below PDL. That supply zone we were talking about in pre-market was key. It really was. How far can Tesla go? Bro, Tesla could really sink right now. One hour trends looking a pretty bit bearish. Boom. 10 o'clock and we're done. We're we pretty much done. You got to love trading, bro. For that reason exactly. Damn, look at Tesla. It's fucking cooking. I slept on it. The real question is why? Cool. Nice. Great day, guys. Great day. Really good. All right. Let me pull up SPY again for all my futures traders. Okay, guys. So this thing is really taking off. We're below previous day low. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, bro. This thing's going to tank. Oh, my Lord. Look at this. Unbelievable. Damn, I sold at the worst time. And now this is kind of like, you just kind of got to be a little patient right here. This is chill mode. You got to chill. Things are moving very quickly right now. I mean, if criteria comes up, it is what it is. So we've gotten some, let me see here. If I pull up the 5 minute, what do we got? Yeah, we literally have 1 GBI and it's all the way up there. This thing's gone. Darren smelt that blood in the streets. She bloody. She bleeding. She bleeding. Hey. Oh my God. Oh my God. There was news that came out as well too, so that's definitely probably a leading factor here to these sellers. Damn, son. What a sell-off. Jeez. Damn. Honestly, guys, that might be it for me. I mean, 80% trade. There's like really no reason to, like really poke that. You know what I'm saying? Like you take an 80% winner, take the money. You know what I'm saying? We're starting to sell off a lot. There's really no RBIs or GBIs here to play off of. So this is where the trend starts to get a little unhealthy, right? You want to be careful. There's really, I mean, yeah, you could find maybe some 2-minute opportunity possibly. But we're starting to get a little extended from that 1 hour. And I don't know how far these sellers are really going to push it. I mean, this thing just got really bearish very quickly. Let me see here. So now I come back to my daily levels. Okay. We have a level right here. Looks like we're coming into it. And you know what I'm really proud of, though, is how we really stuck to that pre-market plan, right? Like, go back and watch this when it's done. We spotted that selling there, and we hopped right on it. We didn't second guess it whatsoever. Oh my God, this thing is really tanking. And if you start feeling FOMO, walk away. You know what I'm saying? Walk away. There's no trade for me right here. I already made my trade. I already made our money. If you missed it, unfortunately, that's just the price of not executing. And that's okay, right? It's just, don't just be careful right now, because this is getting bloody. And all it takes is a 5-minute candle to close far away from that, and it sucks back up. So just be careful. All right, Tesla's coming in a previous day low. A 1 hour trend looks very bearish. 237.50. All right, I'm trying to see here what are some more downside targets on SPY. Let me see. Looks like we're kind of coming into one right here. Holy shit. Let me pull up SPX. Let's see if there's anything there. Kaio, great day, brother. Oh, guys, we're coming into that key level right there on SPX. 6450. This is key. This is important right here, guys. This level, this is definitely a key level. Very key level on SPX. I'd be blown away here if sellers cook through this. Tesla is showing a lot of strength here. Careful. Careful on shorts. I want to see a pullback in the previous day low. Yep, look. Watch SPX, guys. I'm telling you. Holy shit, Tesla's cooking. All right, you know what, guys? This has been a great session. We capitalized on a beautiful trade. If you grabbed it, that's a great play, okay? Be all right with stepping away from the market. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm starting to feel a little bit of FOMO, and I'd much rather lock in the win and wait. So I'm going to be updating in the Discord as I identify more opportunity. I love you guys. Anybody that wants to get involved, promo code HPT Cross. That is 50% off, $100 full year on the team. Let's fucking make this year happen. Great trading today, guys. I will see you in the Discord. Peace. It's fucking